Hey guys, this is Layla Mulgosi doing Mission Report 11, Pluto, a dwarf planet. So behind I chose an image of Pluto. It's not the exact colors, but I thought it was very beautiful, and instead of it being like black and white or whatever, I just chose color. So Pluto's location, you can see Pluto right here next to Neptune, and Pluto here as well. Super tiny, can barely see it. So it takes 247.9 Earth years for Pluto to make one orbit around the Sun. The speed is 10,623 miles per hour. Pluto is tipped on its side and rotates pointing slightly down. Pluto is 39.5 astronomical units from the Sun. You can't see Pluto with the naked eye, but you can see it with a fairly large telescope, at least 10 inches aperture, because Pluto is currently very dim in the sky. So I didn't have a telescope, so I couldn't see Pluto. Pluto's size, you can see Pluto is right here compared to Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and Pluto here as well compared to the US and its moon Charon. So Pluto's radius is 738.4 miles. It is 1/6 the size of Earth, and Pluto is also smaller than our moon. So Pluto's surfaces, this is its surface, and it's known as a snake skin-like texture. This photo was taken in July 2015 with a New Horizons space probe. Pluto's surface has mountains that reach as high as 11,000 feet, comparable to the Rocky Mountains on Earth. Methane and nitrogen ice covers much of the surface of Pluto, so it is thought that the mountains are formed on a bedrock of water and ice. There's a large heart-shaped region, which is right here of Pluto, known as Tombaugh Regio. Don't really know how to pronounce that. The left side of the region is covered in carbon monoxide ice. Center left is very smooth. So like right there. So Pluto's exploration. Little was known about the dwarf planet size or surface conditions until 2015 when NASA's New Horizons space probe, this guy right here, made a close flyby of Pluto. It showed Pluto's diameter and its rocky surfaces. Pluto's atmosphere is blue. Pluto's vast 1,000 kilometers wide heart-shaped nitrogen glacier called Sputnik, I think, Planum, that New Horizons discovered is the largest known glacier in the solar system. And so I chose this cute picture, leaving out all the planets, leaving out Pluto. So yes, I do believe Pluto should be a planet. It once was and should be again. Some characteristics are very similar to our planets, and I also think Pluto is very pretty and amusing. I don't strongly agree with either, but it's just an opinion I have. So, and then that's my reference.